Before the first shot is fired, before the enemy even knows they've been detected, Israeli soldiers already see everything: enemy positions, hidden movements, and battlefield threats revealed instantly through a helmet that thinks faster than humans. This isn't science fiction. This is Israel's next generation warfare, and it changes everything. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Imagine stepping onto a battlefield where the enemy believes they are hidden, silent, and invisible. Now imagine knowing their exact position before a single trigger is pulled. This is the shocking reality of Israel's smart combat helmet. Unlike traditional military gear, this helmet is not just protection, it is intelligence. The moment a soldier enters a combat zone, data begins flowing into their vision: enemy heat signatures, drone feeds, unit locations, and threat alerts. The battlefield becomes transparent. In past wars, surprise decided victory. Today, information decides survival. Israel's defense engineers designed the system to eliminate uncertainty, reduce reaction time, and give soldiers absolute situational dominance. This helmet turns chaos into clarity. Urban warfare, tunnels, and dense terrain no longer provide safe hiding places. The enemy doesn't realize they've been exposed until it's too late. This technology marks a turning point where infantry soldiers no longer fight blind. They fight informed, connected, and prepared. What you're about to see is not an upgrade. It's a transformation of how ground combat works. At the core of Israel's smart helm, it is real-time battlefield awareness. Multiple sensors collect data from drones, satellites, ground radar, and reconnaissance units. This information is processed instantly by AI systems that identify threats, movements, and patterns. Instead of radio chatter or delayed reports, soldiers receive visual overlays directly inside the helmet visor. Enemy positions appear as digital markers. Friendly forces are highlighted to prevent friendly fire. High-risk zones are flagged automatically. This eliminates confusion under pressure. In traditional combat, seconds matter. Here, milliseconds decide outcomes. The helmet reduces cognitive overload by filtering only the most critical information. Soldiers don't need to search, the system shows them what matters. This is especially lethal in urban combat, where threats emerge from rooftops, windows, and alleyways. The helmet connects every soldier into a single combat network. One detection becomes shared knowledge. This collective awareness means no soldier fights alone. The battlefield becomes a live map, constantly updating, constantly learning. Artificial intelligence is what truly separates this helmet from anything seen before. The AI does not simply display data, it interprets it. Movement patterns are analyzed to predict enemy intent. Suspicious behavior triggers alerts before contact occurs. The system learns from previous engagements, adapting to new environments and tactics. Over time, the helmet becomes smarter. This reduces human error, stress, and misjudgment. Fatigue, fear, and confusion have always been battlefield weaknesses. AI neutralizes them. Israeli forces designed this system to support soldiers psychologically as well as tactically. Knowing what lies ahead reduces panic and hesitation. The helmet becomes a silent partner, guiding decisions without replacing human judgment. This balance is critical. The soldier remains in control, but now with near-perfect awareness. One of the most dangerous environments in modern warfare is urban terrain. Buildings, tunnels, and dense populations create endless blind spots. Israel's smart helmet directly targets this challenge. Integrated drone feeds allow soldiers to see over walls and around corners. Thermal imaging detects hidden fighters behind structures. Underground mapping reveals tunnel networks before entry. This turns urban strongholds into exposed zones. Enemy fighters relying on concealment lose their greatest advantage. The helmet also enhances coordination between infantry, armored units, and air support. Targets can be marked instantly, shared across platforms, and engaged with precision. Collateral damage is reduced because threats are identified accurately. This technology reflects Israel's focus on precision warfare, winning battles while minimizing unnecessary destruction. Communication has always been a battlefield vulnerability. Radio signals can be intercepted, jammed, or misunderstood. Israel's helmet replaces verbal communication with visual intelligence. Silent coordination becomes possible. Squad movements are synchronized without spoken commands. This drastically reduces detection risk. In special operations, silence is survival. The helmet enables units to operate deep behind enemy lines while maintaining full command awareness. Every soldier knows the mission status at all times. This level of coordination was once reserved for command centers. Now it exists at the individual soldier level. The psychological impact of this helmet cannot be overstated. Soldiers equipped with superior awareness fight with confidence. Fear decreases when uncertainty disappears. Meanwhile, the enemy faces an invisible disadvantage. They are detected without knowing how. Their movements are anticipated. Their hiding places are compromised. This imbalance breaks morale. Warfare is not just physical, it is psychological. Israel understands this better than most nations. This helmet becomes a weapon of intimidation as much as intelligence. This technology also integrates seamlessly with Israel's broader defense ecosystem. Missile defense systems, reconnaissance satellites, and command networks all feed into the same information stream. The helmet is one node in a massive intelligence web. This ensures battlefield decisions align with strategic objectives. Tactical actions support national defense goals in real time. This level of integration is rare and extremely difficult to counter. Compared to traditional military helmets used globally, Israel's system is generations ahead. Most armies still rely on external devices, handheld screens, or delayed updates. Israel embeds intelligence directly into the soldier's vision. This reduces reaction time and increases survivability. As other nations attempt to replicate this technology, Israel maintains a significant lead due to its combat-tested design philosophy. The future implications are enormous. As AI improves, these helmets could predict ambushes, identify decoys, and recommend tactical maneuvers. Autonomous battlefield coordination may become standard. Soldiers will act as intelligent units rather than isolated fighters. This represents the evolution of infantry warfare, where information dominance replaces brute force. Israel's smart helmet proves that modern wars are won before the first shot is fired. When soldiers know the battlefield better than the enemy, victory becomes inevitable. This technology reshapes combat ethics, strategy, and survival. It is not just about seeing the enemy, it is about understanding them. And in future warfare, understanding wins wars. If you want more deep analysis on cutting-edge military technology and future warfare, subscribe to Warvex Intelligence, like this video, and comment below, would this technology change modern wars forever?